I figured I should show you guys how to get into this HP XA00 27-inch flat panel. This computer, it's not terrible, but the specs aren't exactly great from the factory. Step one, you gotta pull this screw out. So I'm gonna flip this over to safely and go from there. So step one, you're going to have a sticker here. In order to get in, you're going to have to break through the sticker to get to the screw. You can actually feel where the screw is through there. Once the screw is off, all right, now that the base is off, we have a screw to undo here. But remember, that's a captured screw, so your best bet's to start coming along and prying this apart with your pry tool. There we go. Again, you want to work around the edges and just kind of gently take it up as you go. All right, now that we have all the snaps removed, lift it up and off. All right, now we have screws to remove here, 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 a few of them all the way around. This section here for the base doesn't need to be removed. This ribbon cable is on an adhesive that you will peel up to be able to get under here. The SSD and RAM are located under here. Again, we have 7 screws, 4 across the bottom, 3 across the top. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. And that will allow this panel to be removed. The screws are removed. I'm just gonna lift this up and out. Remember, don't break the ribbon cable. Flip it up. And here's the underside. We have a thermal pad here for the SSD, and that's pretty much it. From the top down, we have our SSD here, and then we have our RAM, both those. And these are just your standard RAM slot where you just pop, pop, and she's out. In reverse, you just put it back in. That's all it takes. Same steps in reverse to get back in there and put it all back together.